Okay, thank you, Danny. Thank you for your introduction. But I have to tell you, I'm very, very nervous. That's why I was trying to delay my talk as much as I can. Why I'm nervous? Because when I came here, I found that there is another people who probably is a better speaker than me. He's Michael, my supervisor. So if we mention Michael in his scientific work, you might found two keywords. One is cell death, and another is shenanigans. Yeah, exactly. I'm working in apoptosis with shenanigans. So, as maybe all of you know, like a person or animal, whatever, it will born, will get old, will sometimes sick, will finally die. That's exactly the same what's happening on a cell. A cell will born from dividing and may have some injury, may aging, and finally died. Unlike human being, nobody wants to die, but some cells do. Like in some organism, a cell or some cells found the position of the cell is no longer available, or the function is not necessary anymore, or the cell found there is some damage inside of it, and it is not able to repair it, and the cell will decide to die and to avoid more damage. So for this process, it was very surprisingly, which is tightly controlled by a genetic pathway, and which is quite famous now as apoptosis pathway. And in this pathway, like once the cell, when the cell decides to die and it died, and the cell has to be rapidly clearanced by some other cells. For instance, in shenanigans, it's by some neighbor cells. And we call this process as engulfment. What I was trying to find is in this process, there's many triggers and a few suppressors. What I was trying to doing is looking for some suppressors. But very surprisingly, by chance, many great scientific discovery is found by chance. I found a cell can die without a very, very important element to trigger apoptosis, which is called stage 3, whatever the protein it is. So let's imagine, if you want to go from here to, for instance, Zurich HB, you have to go to Michbuch and then take a tram there. 1 minute? Yeah? Okay, thank you, 20 seconds. So now you suddenly found Michbuch is destroyed, and what you will do? You will not go there. But now what I found is, if even Michbuch is destroyed, then we can go to another way. Probably go to the University here and then take tram 9 there and change somewhere. That's what what I found. So-called alternative way to death. Thank you.